Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys. So today is
Nice day.
ito guys ang aming view. Building.
Too big.
Two building. Oh, it's up. It's down. So guys, so today I'm going to SMC side with my parents. I'm gonna finish applying my passport because you know when I went there the last time they want more documents from me, so I have to get it in Samar because it's easy to get in there because you know it's a small place only. And we're gonna get also facial. We will have like free facial, but my husband is not coming.
No more facial for me.
No
I know my face needs it, but I
free
mean,
facial
no
because
facial.
the,
Free facial.
the thing that we bought in there is too expensive. That's why they have like free facial for two. So now my mom is gonna get the free facial than my husband.
You think they'll give it to her?
Yeah,
Okay.
I hope so.
We can talk to her all. I'm just gonna sit here and chill. I'm gonna be chilling. Be chilling like a dilly. Okay.
And then I'm gonna get something for pasalubong.
Oh, pasalubong.
Yeah, to bring to US.
Yeah.
For your sisters also.
Yeah, sister, that's some pasalubong.
Guys, social yung door nila kasi ano ito? High-tech keypad. Ano? Nangangamoy efficacent. Nangangamoy efficacent dito sa kwarto. So guys, dito kami sa receptionist. Naghihintay sa aming Grab. 2 minutes.
Are you going across the new bridge?
Maybe. Maybe not. My husband is here. It's close. It's in there now.
How much?
It's very close. Just
Alright, we'll see in a little bit.
Alright.
I'm going to Starbucks.
Starbucks coffee.
You guys have fun. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
So guys, ito malapit na yung ride namin.
Ikaw?
Okay, pwede. Also, doon ka na lang pa sa front. Makapti daw anay. Picture ka mo dito, mama, open view. So guys, andito kami, libot-libot lang. Hinahanap namin yung kung saan yung passport renewal. So guys, ito yung temporary offsite passport services. Hi guys, so tapos na din ang pag-renew ko ng passport. 2 to 3 weeks daw. Pero si mama na lang yung kukuha kasi wala na kami dito. Ano lang naman kailangan? Authorized letter. Authorization letter. And then valid ID ni mama. Xerox ID ko.
With 3 is basic.
Yeah, 2 to 3 weeks. Madali lang. Passport. Siguro renewal kasi yung akin. Ay, yung akin renewal pero canceled kasi nag-dual citizen ako. So guys, dito kami sa labas.
Ganda.
On third floor na yata to. Ang
Third
ganda
floor.
ng view. Oo.
Ganda ng ano.
Wala tinay Manila. Tampakan.
Oo.
Oo.
Ang ganda.
Oo.
Tambakan na.
Mm.
Kayo po.
Ang ganda dito.
Amo si Taman.
Wala naman kayo mapasok.
Dito na.
Ang luwag talaga ng SMC side. So guys, dito, dyan ako nag-renew ng passport. Chowking kami.
Dito na lang kami likuran.
Oh, sige.
Wala na rin palo na rin.
Maraming halo-halo.
Baka ini ka diri daw. Sakto lang kada ako. Gloria.
So guys, kain tayo.
Bait na ni ka diri na ko nira ano.
Iya. Apa? So guys, dito kami sa supermarket. Ito gusto daw ng mga kapatid ko doon sa Samar.
Oo naman. Sa tago daw yung tira Tagorosa.
Oh, sige, punta na tayo doon. Dito ma. Kung habang ng pila. Oh, didi na kita ma. Taxi kita. Guys, pupunta kami sa taxi.
Pang punuin kuan. Silang siringan. Ayaw ko relax kasi mag-relax.
So, kararating lang namin dito sa kwarto nila mama. And then, ito yung binili ko sa Goldilocks. Dadalhin ko to sa US. Tapos, ang ganda pa ng kama. Tapos, may ano pa, maganda pa, oh. So, mas na ako. Babalik na ako. Sige pa. Dito, babalik na ako sa kwarto namin. Magugulat yung sito kasi anong oras na. Mag-alas 5 na. Hello! Mystery! Hala, nakabukas lang guys yung pinto. Hindi nakalak. Saan ba siya? Oh, dito.
Uh-oh.
Hi!
Uh-oh.
Hi!
What you doing?
Hello! It's been a long time.
Yeah, good for you. Come on
Hi!
out. What are you doing?
Sabi niya nung nakita ang vlog.
What'd you do all day? That's good. You ready?
Yeah, it's almost 5.
It is. Did you eat dinner?
No, just lunch.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello, Cebu.
Who's here?
So what have you been doing all day?
Oh, resting.
Rest and
Read
rest.
my book.
Bookie.
Huh?
Book.
Bookie, yeah, book.
So guys, ito yung mga binili ko. So ayun na nga guys, yung passport ko is okay na 2 to 3 weeks. Si mama na lang yung kukuha. Binili ko sa Goldilocks. Ito lang yung binili ko sa Goldilocks. Mamon. And then, ito para sa katrabaho kong Pinay kasi gusto niya yung 3-in-1 coffee. Gustong-gusto niya to. Ito, gustong-gusto daw to ng mga kapatid ko. Si mama bumili siya ng marami. So sabi ko, sige makuhaan mo rin ako. So ito, tatry ko to, dadalhin ko to sa US.
What's that? Cookies.
Cookies. And then dried mangoes.
Mango.
Dried mangoes. Ang mahal nito guys, 100 plus. Ito 173. Ang mahal. 100 grams.
That's good or bad?
Expensive.
Goldilocks. Bite.
And then, ito naman,
What?
no.
Fish. Dried fish for Andy Dolores.
Dried fish for Ate Didi and Tere. I did not buy for me because
I don't want it.
my husband will like, it's too stinky.
Stank.
I don't really. I always go home here in the Philippines like once a year, and my coworkers they go home like every long time. So that's why they miss this dried fish.
Dried fish.
But I don't really because I always eat it when I get home, so I don't really need to have it in our house because I cannot cook it because the whole
Stank.
place will be like so stinks.
Oh man, you got your mom and dad on there quick. You're quick for the thing.
Yeah, pancit bihon.
Renalyn. Oh, Renalyn. Is that our Renalyn?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ang dalawang miguring lang yung binili ko kasi nga hindi to healthy guys.
Is that-
Guys, pancit canton, bumili rin ako. Ito guys yung friend ko na Pinay, nagpa-package siya sa akin ito from Batangas. Batangas or Quezon. Sabi niya ipapadala niya sa akin para madala ko nga sa US kasi namimiss niya daw yung ganitong pancit. Hinanap ko to doon sa supermarket. Wala. Ganitong pancit, guys. Namimiss niya daw kaya nagpabili siya doon sa pinsan niya at pinadala sa akin. Natanggap ko lang to kahapon. So, 3 yung sinendya. So, 3. Sabi niya, para daw kila mama yung isa. So, ibibigay ko to kila mama kasi pinapabigay niya. Salamat, Tere. And then, ito naman, ito. Nagpabili siya doon sa pinsan niya. Siguro namimiss niya to siguro. Ano to, parang crackers. Dice crackers. And then, marami pa kasing space sa ano ko, sa luggage ko. So, pwede pa akong magdala ng marami.
No.
Yeah, dried mangoes. I really want to eat it now.
Oh.
It's so expensive. 110 for this.
Oh.
$2.
Oh, too much.
So, I only bought 4. This one is for Tere. This one is for the house. When I miss it, I'm just gonna eat it. Dried mangoes. So, ayun lang guys, yung mga pinamili ko. And my husband, what did you do all day?
Did nothing.
I'm not around with you.
No,
Like,
I
you
did
were
nothing.
like,
I relaxed.
you have your me time without
Yeah,
me.
I didn't
Because
go,
sometimes
yeah.
he will be
Just,
like, oh, thanks. I don't have my wife with
I
me.
didn't say that, but I just say I relaxed. Because I didn't have to get in that traffic today. I didn't have to get in that traffic today.
Yeah, it's traffic here. The CC clicks is good. But
What's good?
CC clicks. CC clicks. Sisili ko na tuloy sa luggage ko. Are you gonna eat dinner?
I guess we're gonna eat dinner. We're gonna eat dinner.
I think my... Where do you want to eat?
Okay.
I'm not really hungry. I'm just gonna eat light.
Okay, well, let's eat lights. Go to Macadee. Go to Macadee.
What?
What? Macadee?
Yeah. What? Makadi, what are you gonna order there?
Macadee stuff. Or you can carry out if you want to. Bring it back. Or eat there.
Just eat it there. I don't want to clean. Guys, andun si Tom. Si Tom yan, guys. Si Tom yan. Pumunta siya sa 7-Eleven. Bumili siya ng tubig. Oh. Hello. Ano gawin ka na? Dito, andito na kapatid ko. Mag-stay siya dito ng 4 nights. Nag-additional lang ako ng 1,200 pesos. Bali, 300 pesos per night for extra person. Hello! Ito guys, yung extra bed. Ano yan? Sofa bed. Maganda. Sofa bed.
Ako lang muna ang mag-isa dito. Pinapunta ako ng Lord dito dahil nga sa
Maganda talaga yung kwarto nila.
kaya dapat magkaroon ng pagkakaisa sa pamamagitan ng portfolio nila. Pinapag-create ako ng Lord na Homes Kingdom.
So guys, ngayon pupunta kami sa Vista Mar doon sa kung saan pinapagawa namin bahay. Andito na naman kami sa opisina. Tatry namin kausapin yung secretary. Ay, wala pagod ako magkalo. So guys, ito yung kwarto namin. Baling kita din yung kwarto nga usa. Ito yung kwarto na isa. Maluwag din.
Kanay, kwarto niya?
Tapos ito yung isang kwarto.
Awa di akon.
3 bintana.
Itong bintana.
Maluwag din.
Walang bintana po. Pero andun lang sa... Oo. Andun lang sa... Record. Nung... Pag... Pwede matigil lang kung ano na. Yung mga bowl.
Maluwag ang CR.
Binig po.
Ang luwag ng CR na to.
Pahalaba lang yung CR ko.
Ha?
Halaba. Luwag lang yung nara-ora.
Oo. So guys, itong kapatid ko kumakain. Bumili siya ng McDo. So guys, dito kami sa Mactan Newtown. Share. Ang daming agent dito guys. Pag gusto niyo ng kondo, dumaan lang kayo dito sa Mactan Newtown. Makakahanap agad kayo ng kondo kasi maraming agent. Marami nag-alok ng kondo. Sarap, mainit pa. Ang daming foreigner dito as in. Lahat ng nakakasalubong namin mga foreigner. Korean. Kay foreigner masarap. Kay kung ikaw, ato ka US, foreigner ka.
Alak pa tayo.
Kain pa more. Ang mahal pala ng mga items sa ito na sa Pandi Manila. Hintayin ko na lang dito si Tom. Here's the familiar face. They went in their room.
Went to the room? Okay. Got a good view.
Maybe that's in the park. That party.
Must be over there. Somebody's loud. I don't know. Where? Yeah, they go there every night. They go there, sit out, talk. Usually in groups, 5 groups. Yeah. All right.
See you later. So guys, pupunta kami sa food camp. Kapatid ng asawa ng kapatid ko.
Bayaw. Bayaw. Yung bayaw natin, kapatid nila.
Ayun, yung bayaw namin, kapatid nila. May pwesto sila doon sa food camp. Kaya pupunta kami doon 6. And then si Tommy di sasama. Kami lang apat. Si Balen, si Mama, si Papa. Ako first time kong pumunta. Pero sila Mama, Papa, hindi. Nakadalawa na sila Mama, Papa. Ikaw first time pa lang. So dadaanan lang namin sila Mama. Ambot ng Papa.
Motor. Mobile sir.
How bus? So guys, ang LG Garden Walk.
Wow, tour.
Wow.
Wow, motor.
Dadaan. Dili na lang. So guys, ito ang food camp. Awaray pa hirayana?
Ada na, ang singer.
Ah,
Yan po ito ano.
ay mananera. Kaluan. Hello. Mahirap po ito. Wow! Waray diet. Wow! Okay.
Bira ito.
Waray ni diet. Yan na lang.
Wala ko tek.
Guys, ang sarap nito. Grilled tuna. Punta na kayo dito. Shady Bilao.
Ah, nakakuha ako doon naman.
Paso lang ayan. Guys, tingnan nyo. Paskong Pasko na talaga. Dito kita man Mactanyo Town. So guys, dito na kami. Ang ganda dito. Bago lang to na mga Christmas light. Nilagay nila.